Morning guys, so I just arrived at Dynotech now, and today's dyno session is just basically an update on what power Chad has gained after fitting on data and what power I've gained after fitting cold air induction. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, but the last time we were here I just had either exhaust and Chad had either exhaust and cold air. So yeah, I didn't want to put too much of the tuning in, I don't know, it is confidential or whatever. But yeah, call the tune, Chad's car. I'm very happy with the tune. I actually like it. Super responsive down low, and obviously making all the power on top still. Calvert really tunes the full rev range of the car, and I think that's essential with the car because it's drivability, everyday drivability, traffic, you know, feeling like a normal car. Not that the type R shouldn't, but I mean, it's nice to make power to still have a car that's responsive under VTEC. I remember back in the day with the old B series and stuff, like the stock B16, it always feel dead under VTEC and alive on top in VTEC. Here's Chad actually arriving. So yeah, I'm gonna take a couple of clips and then that will probably be the end of the video. I'll give my opinion on the powers afterwards. I don't have a goal in mind. I know Chad made 163 without tune. His car definitely feels a hell of a lot stronger. I mean, first gear put down, he picks up wheel spin, which he never ever did before. And then my car also feels stronger with the cold induction. But I don't know, I don't want to set myself up for failure. But if I could make 160 or as close as possible to 160 kilo, I'd be very happy. Okay guys, so it's like he's just gonna do the gearing because I'm no longer on the 18s, I'm on the 17s now. What do you think? That's nut? All I'm saying is nut. Huh? 65. Okay, nice. We wait and see. So I just realized I didn't film an outro video of the power runs the other day, and I'll be honest, at first I wasn't too impressed with the 160 kilowatts. Not that I wasn't impressed, but I wanted a bit more. I'm not sure who made me feel I deserve more than that. But at this point in time, I'm actually very, very, very happy with the outcome. I mean, I gained 7.2 kilowatts and 14 newton meters of torque from a cold induction. And besides the dyno, the difference can genuinely be felt. But dyno says it all. So I'm very happy actually. 160 kilowatts. I mean, there's nothing to be upset about. I'm at least making within the right bracket of power. You know what I mean? So I do look forward to the next mod that's coming. There's one coming soon, and then in the new year sometime, hopefully on data.